Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you the idea on how you can possibly fix the issue if your Bluetooth Ecosport is not working. So the first thing that you can try to, maybe it's going to work out. First, you want to go to your Android phone and right here you're going to have go to settings on the top right. If you have iPhone, the procedure is similar. You want to go to connections and you want to unpair your car from the phone and your phone from the car. Right here under Wi-Fi you're going to have Bluetooth, and then you're going to have BMW. And then on the bottom right you're gonna have unpair, so you want to press unpair. Let's do the same thing. If you can unpair your phone from the car, reset your phone if it's going to work out, and if this is not going to work out, the next thing that you can try to do is that you want to reset it with a fuse box. So I don't know what kind of Ecosport you have, but I recommend to do this. Go and write Ecosport fuse box diagram. It really depends what kind of you have, and you can try to remove the subwoofer amplifier, the 15A, or when you're gonna have passenger compartment fuse box on your passenger side, here you are going to have the audio control module, and you can have it right here. It's going to be number F23, and try to take it out for about a minute and then put it back in. So it really depends what kind of have. Maybe it's going to be like, maybe it's going to be the 10 or the smart data link connector. Maybe it's going to be like that. So just try to take them out, put it back in, and I'm just like throwing out the ideas, but primarily you just want to look on your menu or like which one it actually is. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.